Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LODE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful one a few days ago. Price pulled back, and then, not much happened with it. But then today, Friday, closing out the week, some life has come back into it, and it's making for a very interesting situation here headed into Monday. But really, the key dynamics that I talked about previously still do pertain, but nonetheless, there are still going to be levels that a lot of people will be watching. And that main area of resistance, in fact, I'm just going to get rid of that line right there, just because I don't want to have lines and clutter all over the place and risk causing confusion. But let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But point being that if this upwards movement, because today, like I said, give some credits due, price came up, consolidating higher, but if this consolidation can work its way back upwards, that's where that red line comes into play, which is valued right up there around $6.75. So 675 going to be that next key level. Actually, let me double check that. No, more so 670, excuse me. So 670 will be that main area of resistance. And while nothing is guaranteed, my point here is that it's more than plausible. It's more than a rational thought to have that if the price can work its way up to that area and then get the breakthrough there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but that's a situation where if the price could stay, break above there, it's a rational thought to have that could create just that much more people that are interested in, quote unquote, buying the breakout. So watch that very closely. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still have that green line down there at $4.30. Preferably speaking in terms of, what would make the chart look the best. If the price can hold up above that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, that would be best case scenario. But I mean, if the price drops below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that, because again, you still do have that $4.30 mark down there. But yeah, overall, nice life today. Good volume coming back into it. Not just a question of can this volume stay strong enough to make, get the price up to that 670 mark. Let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.